In this video, I'm going to show you how to swap crypto on Ledger Live. Now, the first thing, of course, if you want a Ledger Live device, you can use my link down below to get your official Ledger device together with some bonus Bitcoin, and you will also support my channel that way. Now, to swap crypto on Ledger, you want to go to over here on the left where it says swap. And then here you can click on swap again, and you can then go ahead and select what you would like to swap for which crypto. So first, you want to select the crypto you actually own and you would like to swap. So for example, in this case, I'm just going to click on XRP over here because I do own some XRP. And then I want to receive this crypto. So this is the crypto you are swapping into and you don't have yet, or of course would like more of. So I'm going to swap XRP into, for example, Bitcoin over here. And then you have to select your account, which is going to be this one. There we go. And then you have to basically select how much you want to swap. So let's say I want to swap 1 XRP. It's going to give me an error because, as you can see, it's going to always say how much XRP at least you have to swap to be able to basically get the quotes and swap it. So here, like 10.6 is the minimum. So I'm going to do 11 XRP. Of course, this is going to differ depending on what you're swapping into and which token you are swapping. And after you do that here, you're going to get your quotes. As you can see, right now, 1 quote was found, and this will update every few seconds. There's a countdown, as you can see. And if you're happy with this quote, you can go ahead and just click on that and click on swap again. And then here, basically, you're going to have to connect and unlock your Ledger device. So just connect it to your computer, either with cable or Bluetooth, so whatever you're using, depending on which Ledger you have. And after that, you'll basically just going to have to confirm the transaction and your swap will be initiated and you'll successfully swap one crypto into another using Ledger Live. Now, that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.